Welcome to the series of Heroes of India's Independence. Today we will talk about one of India's most enigmatic and powerful figures, Subhash Chandra Bose. His story is one of courage, controversy and relentless pursuit of freedom. Let's dive into the life of a man who dared to defy the British Empire and challenge the status quo. Born in January 1897 in Cuttack, India, Subhash Chandra Bose was a revolutionary whose name echoes in the annals of history. A man of wealth and intellect, he left the comfort of his family's affluence and a promising career to fight for India's independence. Educated in prestigious institutions like Presidency College and the University of Cambridge, Bose initially prepared for a bureaucratic career. But when he saw his homeland in turmoil, he chose to return to India, abandoning his civil service dream to join the freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose's journey took him from being a close ally of Mahatma Gandhi to a fierce rival. While Gandhi championed non-violence, Bose believed in more militant approach. This clash of ideologies led Bose to form his own path. Imprisoned multiple times for his revolutionary activities, Bose never lost his resolve. He wrote passionately about India's struggle for freedom and sought international support for his cause. His defiant spirit and radical vision set him apart from his contemporaries. During World War II, Bose's quest for independence took him to distant lands. In Nazi Germany, he aligned with the Axis powers and later moved to Japanese-occupied Southeast Asia. With Japanese aid, he formed the Indian National Army, rallying thousands to his cause. In 1943, Bose declared the formation of a provisional independent Indian government and led his army into battle. Though his forces faced setbacks and eventually retreated, Bose's dream of an independent India never wavered. In August 1945, just as Japan surrendered, Bose's life took a fateful turn. He was reported to have died in a Japanese hospital in Taiwan after a plane crash. But even in death, his legacy continues. Subhash Chandra Bose, who is popularly known as Netaji, gave the clarion call of "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," which is still not only marked in the hearts of every patriot of the nation, but also keeps us reminding about our commitment, duty and responsibility towards our nation. Subhash Chandra Bose remains a symbol of defiance and determination. His unwavering commitment to India's freedom and his bold actions during a troubled era make him a leading figure in the history of Indian independence movement and continues to inspire generations to strive for freedom and justice. Thank you for joining us on the journey of knowing our superheroes who sacrificed their lives for freedom. Also, comment below your favorite hero of India's independence. Jai Hind.